Hey y'all, welcome. I'm Chawnta and this is Tutt Tips. Today I'm going to show y'all other ways to use dryer sheets at home and tips. If this is your first time watching, please don't forget to subscribe right now to catch more of my videos. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Cleaning includes the smell of your home and should be included in your daily routine. So pick out your favorite dryer sheet scent and let's get started. For the first tip, get a dryer sheet and rub your couch down with it. Do this to lift away the dirt and dander like pet hair and skin flakes. Just rub the sheet over it and brush away the dirt. Do a quick sweep before your guests arrive. And don't forget your pillows. It's going to leave behind a sweet, comforting scent. Second tip, use it on your toilet paper holder. It releases a pleasant scent when someone reaches and gets toilet paper. Wrap it tightly, very tightly around, and I would use 2 or 3. Wrap it tightly around. Here's another smell good option for your bathroom. You can never have too many, and this will help it smell a little fresher. Third tip, use it in your trash cans. As waste and smell accumulates, it soaks up the odor. Place new dryer sheets as a deodorizer in the bottom of your trash can. And I like to put one in the liner as well. It's cheap, so I get crazy with it. So use these to help your trash can smell from getting out of hand. Fourth tip, throw a couple of these in your gym bag to combat that smell of your gym shoes and your workout clothes. Fifth tip, do the same thing for the shoes located at the front entrance of your home as well as your mudroom. Next, spread these out throughout your house. They say that the scented dryer sheets help keep insects away. So spread them all around your house. Then comment below and let me know if you see a difference. So put them underneath your sinks in your home, your closet, behind your bed, under your mattress, between your couch cushions, behind your couch, wherever you can think of. Try these out to help keep the insects away. See if there's any improvement. Alright y'all, this next one I'm trying for the first time with y'all. So let's see. It's supposed to be able to remove deodorant marks from your clothes. So let's try it out. Okay, so it removed it, but you still see some of the residue, some of the fibers from the sheets left on here. So what I'm going to do is just take a damp rag, slightly damp, and just rub off the excess real quick. So here's the results. Next tip, rub your curtains down with these dryer sheets. It'll leave behind, of course, a pleasant scent, especially the ones at the front entrance of your home. So when guests walk in, they'll catch that sweet scent. Throw a couple of these in your vacuum or your vacuum canister. So I tried this for the first time and it did help get rid of the unpleasant scent sometimes you get when you're just vacuuming with nothing on the carpet, no smell good items on the carpet. And I added about 3 of them to my bag before I tried this out. Next, to eliminate that smell in those old and secondhand books, put a couple of dryer sheets in between the pages. If that doesn't take care of it, grab a Ziploc bag, put a couple of sheets in between the pages, put the book in the Ziploc bag along with a couple of more dryer sheets. This should eliminate that smell. After those 2 days, get 2 fresh dryer sheets and leave those in between the pages just to help with prevention. Alright, I have one more for y'all. I'll be doing many more cleaning videos, so make sure you don't miss out. Make sure you're subscribed. If you are, make sure you hit that bell so you're notified and you won't miss out. Last, use these to shine up the chrome in your home. Thanks for watching.